Hey guys, running Kimono here. So do you want to see something really beautiful? Look at this receipt. 90% off, triple reduced clearance at TJ Maxx. I am not an avid TJ Maxx shopper, but oh my gosh, I saw something on Instagram. Somebody was posting about some clearance, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go check it out. And then I got a whole cart full for 22 bucks, tax included. So I was like, what? So I'm thinking because everything is reduced in price so much, this is gonna go really quickly. If you can get over to your TJ Maxx and investigate, you're gonna look for a section like this in a clearance section, or they'll have it at the front of the store. It's called Clearance Final Savings. That's the poster they had everywhere. Everything from winter boots to masks and a lot of stuff from Christmas time, I'm assuming. A lot of beautiful Rae Dunn, if you like that stuff, like $2 for 2 masks. And like cute little things like this, like hand sanitizers and a little loop, 70 cents. So, you know, some significant savings. I don't know the original price point on a lot of this stuff, but it has these weird yellow stickers and it must mean something. Again, I'm not an avid TJ Maxx shopper, so I'm not like, oh, that's exactly the following. I don't know. I just know it's really cheap, and I'm always about hand sanitizer and wipes. That's my happy stuff. I love to stock up on it, and I think I got like 39 items for 22 bucks. So I'm just going to show you guys my haul. If you can get out there sooner than later, go. So I was not anticipating to make this video, but here I am making another video today. So I was over on Instagram, and in the community tab, they sometimes will say, hey, check this post out. And this lady had gone to a TJ Maxx, and she was posting a lot of like hand wipes, face masks that were all like 90% off. It's part of a very, I don't really shop a lot at TJ Maxx because honestly, you can get a lot more at the pharmacies. But some of this stuff, the price points is 90% off. So I got 38 items, guys, and I paid $22. So it's like 57 cents per item if you want to do the math. But some of the prices of these items is like really like crazy prices. So I just thought we would go through this. I would go sooner than later. I have a suspicion that by like the weekend, it's probably going to get cleared out. Especially there's no limits on this stuff, and it's clothing, it's a lot of like hand sanitizer, shampoos, that sort of stuff. But what I specifically love to stock up on is hand wipes, lots of stuff like masks, that sort of stuff. I still have this mindset that I need this stuff. Obviously buy what you need, but I do buy for like my family, my in-laws, my mom. So like I like to really stock up on this stuff. So a lot of these items too, there's expiry dates on them, and this one doesn't expire until 2022, so it's good for a while. So it's the 32 pack of these antiseptic wipes, and this was 50 cents. So you're specifically looking, guys, for these tags that are yellow like this. So at your TJ Maxx, they'll have this at a front, or they'll have a special section for this clearance. I don't know what it's called again, just other than there was a lot of people in the store. I just did a quick grab of the stuff I wanted and took off because I didn't want to really, you know, get too close to people. But I was able to get 2 of these, and it looks like a good quality wipe. I got a bunch of these. They're called Kala, and I think there's 60, and they're in this really nice pouch with the thing, and they were 70 cents as well. So it's not bad. So these hand sanitizers, and they were just kind of cute looking, and they have a lavender scent. So I thought, hey, why not? And they were 30 cents each. So that's some pretty significant savings. And it's 6 fluid ounces, but for 30 cents, I mean, that's really great. And they're made out of California, so that's kind of interesting. I know some of you will ask, like, well, what is this, alcohol or whatever? These are the facts. 65% ethyl alcohol and antimicrobial. So there you have it. I also got some hand sanitizing wipes in these containers. So there's 100 for each. I got them in lavender and then aloe vera. 70 cents, guys. So I think the price for this was, I think originally like close to $5. I peeled one of the stickers. And SJ Creation ink. So yeah, it's a good price. They also had some that were like $1 or $2, but I left those in the store. I'm looking for stuff that's like $1 or less, just kind of like what I'm thinking. And then this company, Everybody for Everybody. I have seen this before at Target when I used to shop at Target back in the day. And these are made in the USA and they're from California. And these were 50 cents. So there you have it. So I got 4 of them, so that's $2, but just a nice little thing to throw into your purse. And the count for this is 30. Something I've wanted for a really long time, but I'm just not gonna pay big bucks for it. It's one of these portable sterilizers, so there's some sort of like light that kills everything, and I already have it plugging in. Usually when I go shopping, I don't like to take like a Lysol wipe and like douse my phone, but that's what I've been doing a lot. So I thought maybe this might help to just clear the germs, so I just got one of these. And this guy was $2, and the actual price for this guy was like, I think like $10.99, and I think this was like a stocking stuffer sort of thing, and there's the clearance sticker, $2. So this is probably the only item I did pay a little bit for. More wipes include the Lifebuoy. This is a product by Unilever, I believe, and these guys were 30 cents each. If you are an avid TJ Maxx shopper, maybe you can let me know, is this like the final before it gets sent to like a warehouse to get resold by people that do retail arbitrage, that yellow sticker? Because I don't know what the stickers mean over at TJ Maxx, but I got like 5 or 6 of these. I like the Lifebuoy soap, so I thought, hey, why not? And this is made in the United Kingdom. And then the last item that I got that's kind of like, you know, pandemic stuff are these little masks, and they're made in India, so it says, and they're $1. They say they're supposed to be super soft. So let's see, it says compared at $12. I wonder if I could just gently pull this off to see how much it is. It says 99. Ooh, it's 99 cents. So I did kind of peel back the sticker because I was curious. So the original price point was $7.99, and it's down to $1, and you're gonna get 3 in a bag of these beautiful masks, and it just looks like a really soft fabric. And the CDC is like, wear like a surgical mask and wear one of these fabric masks. So I thought that would be really great. So I got 4 of them. I thought it was like a really good quality, and like for $1, you just can't beat that. And then the last item that I got were a bunch of lashes. This company, the Cream Shop, is, well, it's bougie. And these guys were 30 cents each. If you know anything about the makeup, you know that the Cream Shop is a really good company. These were probably $2.99 for 1 pair of lashes. So I got 5 of these, and then I got these little double packs by this company called Sunglow Beauty Eyes, and these were also 30 cents, so 15 cents per lash. That's a really great price point. We usually never get coupon deals too for lashes, so I kind of went crazy with the lashes, but like 30 cents, you can't beat that. I would get out to TJ Maxx sooner than later, guys, and how I paid very little out of pocket was I went to my Fetch Rewards app, got a $25 card, and it covered most of this. The total for all of this was like about 25 bucks. So just what a great haul. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.